Hi guys, would you buy Kosua meko for 50 cedis? Let's try this.
50 cedis for Kosua meko. Wait, did the chicken majored in engineering? Is the pepper spiritually aligned? Because for 50 cedis, that egg should come with a certificate of authenticity. Anyway, I said no politely with economic awareness. So now I'm home doing what? Making it myself, because apparently I own a hot plate, eggs, pepper, crazy concept I know. And guess what? It cost me significantly less. Shocking, not only that, I can add as much as pepper I want. No one spoon for customer behavior. See, this is not cooking, this is financial responsibility. This is maturity. This is me refusing to be emotionally manipulated. Oh no, come on. So with my egg, I decided to add a little bit of food coloring to it. Yes, so I bought it in the market. And the pepper was hot. I did it the way I wanted it to be. Like, it wasn't all that bad. But wait, this restaurant of late, you guys, what's up? 50 cedis for egg, and the egg was just two. Kosua mmienu pay, and I'm almost 150 cedis. Meanwhile, I got the 5 eggs for I think 10 cedis or so. 5 eggs in 10 cedis. I already have pepper. I had food color at home. I had tomatoes. I had onions. So, which means I spent only 10 cedis in total. So 10 cedis minus 50 cedis. Drop the poverty mark. But still, I won't drop the poverty mark because I've just saved 40 Ghana cedis out of the 50 cedis. And mind you, if you go in the car, you took boat, you took Uber. So that means you spent more than 50 cedis for just 2 eggs. Just 2 Kosua. I'm going to tell me then. Yes, Kosua meko. Yes. Takwa da mo kano. Inchefwa ni ya 2 cedis. Then I crowd will be Kosua meko. Ayan Kosua meko. Inchefwa. Guys, yeah. Oh, but it came out nice. It wasn't bad. It tasted so good, just the way I like it. Like, I like my pepper very hot with a lot of onions. So yeah, but still 50 cedis for egg 2 Kosua meko. Happy.